Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body when you start Ozempic? Not just the weight loss, but what's going on week by week inside your brain, your hormones, your hunger? Because the truth is, what this drug does is far more powerful than most people realize. Let's break it down. Week 1, the shock phase. Within the first few days, something strange happens. You're just not that hungry anymore. Meals that once felt normal suddenly feel too big. You get full faster, sometimes even after just a few bites. But there's a catch. Many people start feeling nauseous, slightly tired, even a bit off. That's because Ozempic is mimicking a hormone called GLP-1, which slows down how quickly your stomach empties. In simple terms, food stays in your stomach longer, so your brain thinks, "I'm full, stop eating." Week 2 to 3, cravings start to fade. This is where things get interesting. That constant urge to snack, late-night cravings, suddenly they're not as loud anymore. You walk past your favorite junk food, and for the first time, it doesn't pull you in. Why? Because Ozempic isn't just working on your stomach, it's actually affecting your brain's reward system. The same system that makes sugar feel addictive is now being turned down. And this is where many people start noticing something shocking. They're eating less without even trying. Week 4, the visible changes begin. Now the scale starts moving. Weight loss becomes noticeable. Clothes fit slightly looser. Face looks a bit leaner. But here's the key part most people miss. It's not just because you're eating less. Your insulin levels are stabilizing. Blood sugar spikes are reduced, and your body is slowly shifting into a more efficient fat-burning state. Week 6 to 8, the control phase. By now, things feel different. Hunger is no longer controlling your day. Food is no longer constantly on your mind. Energy becomes more stable. Crashes are less frequent. And for people with blood sugar issues, this is where major improvements start happening. But here's the surprising part. This isn't just physical anymore, it's neurological. Ozempic is literally changing how your brain responds to food. But here's the truth no one talks about. Not everyone has the same experience. Some people lose weight rapidly, while others barely see changes. Why? Because Ozempic doesn't fix everything. It controls appetite, but it doesn't automatically fix habits, lifestyle, or metabolism completely. And once you stop it, for many people, the hunger comes back, sometimes even stronger. So the real question is Ozempic helping your body heal, or simply controlling it temporarily? And more importantly, what happens after you stop? That's the part most people never prepare for.